So let's have a look at table of outcomes and probability. Let's see the story in this question. When Maeve's team play a match, they can win, they can draw, or they can lose. Yeah, that's how it is, isn't it, in life, in any game. Fill in the table below to show the 9 possible outcomes when Maeve's team play 2 matches. One is already done. VD means they win match 1. So first go match 1 and, didn't want to do that, match 1, and then they draw match 2. Okay, so that's simple enough. They win first, they win the second. Here, they win the first, second is lost. Then here, first one is drawn, second win. Then both of them are drawn, then drawn and lose. Then first one lost, second win. First one lost, second draw, first one lost, second draw. So sad, isn't it? Okay, now let's have a look at next part. Maeve thinks that each outcome in the table is equally likely. Based on this, find probability that when Maeve's team play 2 matches, they win at least 1 match. Give your answer as a fraction. So probability, yes, always starts as a fraction. Now, what the idea of this fraction is that at the bottom, I have all events. Now, events are always different depending on what kind of question it is. Events here are what? Winning, losing, or drawing, isn't it? And on top, we have our event. So we are saying this is all possible events that can happen, but we want a particular part. So always remember the main idea of the fraction. At the bottom, I have a whole cake, and on the top, I have my slice out of it. So always the easiest part is to figure out all events. So all events are all possible outcomes, isn't it? So we have 9, we know that. What about what kind of outcomes are we interested in? Win at least 1. So since they are playing 2 matches, at least 1 is a win. Okay, so which one is at least one of them is a win? So we have here at least 1, here everywhere where I have W, that means a win, isn't it? So we have how many? 5 of them. So that means 5 events, the one that I want out of all 9 events that are possible. So that's our fraction. And again, that is happening every time in your junior cert. You need to know how to do this calculation. And probability will go with you further to the living cert. So you need to grasp the idea.